All right, because you can't use a calculator on number one, you basically have to have a pretty clear understanding of square roots. So when you're looking at this, a value between -4 and -3, the best thing to do is you want to think about this kind of on a number line. So if you have a number line, you got -4 and -3, and you're trying to figure out the value between it. So you have to go through each individual problem and determine which one comes in between. So you can see that D is the correct answer. You just kind of have to realize that 1 minus the square root of, 2 square root of 10. The square root of 10, you have to kind of approximate it. It's going to be, the square root of 10 comes between the square root of 9 and the square root of 16, and it's closer to 9, so it's pretty close to 3. So you just estimate it and you say 3 times 2, which is 6. So 1 minus 6 equals -5. And that does not come in approximately between -4 and -3. It comes outside, which is why A is out. When you do the square root of 15, that's very close to 4. So 4 minus 4 is pretty much 0, so that's out. When you do 3 square root of 5, you want to think about the square root of 5, and this times that. So what is the square root of 5 close to? It's close to either the square root of 4 or the square root of 9. So you're close to the square root of 4, which is 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. So you're going to be doing 6 minus 7 equals -1. And that doesn't come close. Okay. So, and then your final answer you can see is correct, but why? So the square root of 20, square root of 20 is close to either the square root of 16 or the square root of 25. So you got to decide. It's 4 away from 16. So let's just say it's 4. 4 minus 8 is -4, and that is there. But we know it's a little bit smaller than, it's a little bit larger. So it's going to end up being between these two numbers. So that's our best choice.